Good day, Brent from CCP area, and this is another video showcasing an issue that you may have with your 90-20, 90-10, and the 91-30 series. See that at the bottom there, this is out of place, and this is affecting how paper is being pulled. You're seeing some strain there on both areas. That does pop out of place because of possibly a spring is out of place. So I'm gonna see if I can push it in its right position firstly, because you could see in this area here, let's see if I could focus, has some areas that it locks into, and that is out of place. And this section here as well, you can see it has a locking mechanism there. So I'm gonna see if I could pop it back in place and then get back to you. So what I did, I used my hands like this and just press it back in place. So you see it's pushed back in place. Sometimes it's be harder than that. Sometimes it has a certain area where it has some hooks and some springs that holds it in place, that just pushing it back up may not help. But in this case, it was as easy as that. And with that back in place now, it will help guide the paper back in. So this is just an addition. This is something that might cause paper jams or problems with your paper pulling. Also, you might notice when it is that you're putting in the tray and you're trying to pull back the tray out, it's not coming out. Alright, so when you're trying to pull the tray out, it doesn't come out fully. It's because that would hook onto the pickup roller and drop it in place like this. It'll drop it down. Because of that, I can't pull it down because it has to only come down when it needs to print. So that was pulling it down and was keeping it down in a down position, so that when you pull the paper hooking up over here on the pickup roller and cannot pull it out, so you'll have to force it out. So that little piece is something that you'll have to look at to see if at times you may have an issue with paper pulling. So that's it. Thanks for watching.